Welcome to my channel, everyone.
I'm going to share 5 amazing financial success stories with you today. People who overcame hardships to attain outstanding financial achievement.
These tales serve as a tribute to the strength of tenacity, resolve, and hard work.
First account, Barbara Corcoran.
Barbara Corcoran, a real estate tycoon and self-made millionaire, began her company with just $1,000. Her most well-known role is that of a shark on the popular television program, Shark Tank. The tale of Corcoran is one of victory against all difficulties and overcoming hardship. Second narrative, Dave Ramsey.
Financial guru and radio show presenter Dave Ramsey assists listeners in reducing debt and accumulating money. Among his best-selling books on personal finance is The Total Money Makeover. Ramsey's tale is one of success in reversing his course in life and attaining financial independence. Narrative 3, Grant Cardone. Entrepreneur and sales pro Grant Cardone has amassed a multi-million-dollar company providing sales training. He is the author of other sales-related books, such as The Closer Sell. Cardone's narrative is one of overcoming self-doubt and attaining extraordinary sales success. Story 4, Sophia Amoruso.
The creator of the once thriving online apparel brand Nasty Gal is Sophia Amoruso. The book, #GIRLBOSS, written by her, details her path from launching Nasty Gal in her flat to becoming a multi-million-dollar company. The tale of Amoruso is one of tenacity, ambition, and hustle.
Story number 5, Chris Gardner. Entrepreneur, motivational speaker, and author Chris Gardner was homeless for years while raising his small son. He is the author of The Pursuit of Happiness, a book that was adapted into a Will Smith movie. In Gardner's story, the American dream is realized through overcoming homelessness. These 5 people's financial success stories are incredibly motivating. They demonstrate to us that no matter what our circumstances, we are capable of accomplishing great things. I strongly advise you to read up on these amazing people if you're seeking for motivation to pursue financial achievement on your own. Which kinds of videos are you hoping we'll produce?
Kindly inform us in the comments section.
Please give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more inspirational videos if you found it helpful.
And do not hesitate to ask questions in the comments section below. I'm always glad to assist.
I appreciate you seeing.